Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a simple activity called the dry pouring. This activity actually allows the children to learn about cause and effect of pouring and also learn words such as pour and down. These are the materials that you need. 2 plastic cups and a ball. I actually made a paper ball which is made of a crushed paper and I tape it together. You can actually use pom-pom balls or ping pong balls too. Here's how the activity goes. Get the child to put in the ball inside the cup. Pour. Down. Pour. Down. Simple, right? Don't forget to try this at home. Stay safe. Bye-bye.